Hi, welcome guys to the Retro Mobile Collector channel. It's been so long since I bought more phones, so this is gonna be another special unboxing. Let's get started. Sorry for the noises in the background. My neighbor's doing something. He's got machines in the back. Oh yes, nothing else. Okay. In a Ziploc. Ooh, this is a Verizon phone, HTC. I forgot the model. I'll put the name on the screen. Oh, so this is a dummy phone. Oh, I thought this was a real one. Well, at least I got... it's all sealed. Oh gosh, I can't believe it. I was expecting for it to have a battery or something and you know, to be at least functional. I have another one, the actual thing, but I don't have the battery of it yet. Well, now I know how a dummy feels. Yay! This is the SGH A437. Well, dummy. This is a dummy of it. Now this one is an actual phone from Sprint, a Samsung Instinct. I forgot. Okay, the SPH i350. I put the lid back. All right, let's see. Where does it turn on? Right here. I must be dead. Let's check this one. Must be dead too. So they both need recharging. This one is a dumb phone. So it's not the actual thing. Let's go. Oh, I got a charger at least. Yay! Let's go for this one. Whoa. Yay! Yay! The Nokia 6225 from Sprint. The battery is in good shape, but kinda. I hope it works. Yeah, definitely did. Well, that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned.